Hi everyone, welcome back. So we're solving this problem. Pretty interesting one. Pause the video, read the question, try to solve this. Okay. In a triangle ABC, D and E are the point on AB and AC respectively. F is a point on BC. EF is parallel to AC. EF is parallel to AB. All constructions, so we will have to make some construction. The areas of the triangle EFC and ABC are 64 and 400. Given, find the area of the quadrilateral ADFE. Let me present to you the construction right now. So the triangle will look something like this, and it is given that this triangle EFC is 64. Okay, and the entire triangle is of 400. So you can write it also EFC upon area of triangle ABC is equal to 64 by 400. Now let's see how I can solve this. The area of the quadrilateral ADFE they are asking. Okay. So one thing that I can, that I am visualizing this figure as, I'm trying to visualize this figure like the ones that we did in our concept classes. I hope you remember the Thales theorem, the basic proportionality theorem. So ABC, D and E. Now this ABC and this ABC is totally different. I'm just, explaining certain things to you. Now, obviously this triangle ADE is similar to this triangle ABC. So one thing that I can very effectively say is that, I hope you remember this point, the areas of the triangle ADE, I am again repeating this thing, area of ADE upon area of ABC for this triangle can be, the square of the individual sides. The individual sides means DE the whole square upon BC the whole square. Now, if you see, this is a disguised problem. So they have given you the areas and you can possibly make use of the area. So one thing that I can straight away see is if I send the squares to that side, you will get a square root. So 64 ka square root we all know is 8 and 400 ka square root we all know is 20, right? In other words, this entire length is going to be 20 and this is going to be 8. Now, please pay attention to this thing. This is very important. This length FE is going to be equal to the length, whatever you call it, suppose G, AG. This is going to be 8 and this is going to be 12. I hope you can see that. Okay, I hope you can understand what I'm doing. Okay. Now, obviously these are the usual lengths, 8 units and 12 units. You can also simplify them. So 4 3s are and 4 2s are 8. So 3:2. Now, you don't need to simplify. What you can do is simply you can square this thing and you can get the area of this part, which is 144. Now you can ask at this point, pause the video if you have to. Why exactly is it that I'm pausing? I mean, I'm squaring this thing. So 12. The same thing, right? So we have got the length of one side. Now we are squaring it, comparing this entire thing, the small triangle with the big triangle. Okay, I hope that makes sense. Now everything is crystal clear. I hope you can see the bit, without the construction also, everything should be crystal clear. It was given that the entire big triangle, ABC triangle, is 400, of which you are supposed to subtract 208. Okay, so 140 plus 60 is 208. Okay, so this becomes 992. So the answer to this is 192 square units. I hope the video made sense. Thank you very much.